And it is said for 6 months Prophet was living in his house. The first thing he did, he built up the Masjid Nabawi, and later on he started building his own house for his wife. So anyhow, when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he came there, so Abu Ayyub Ansari said that, Ya Rasulullah, you will be in the second story, and we will be on the ground. So Prophet said, no, you and your family will in the upper story. I will be down on the ground because people will be visiting me, so I don't want to bother you and your family as well. That will be easy for me and easy for you as well. He said, Rasulullah, as you like. So Prophet ﷺ was living here on ground, and Abu Ayyub Ansari along with family in the second story. But Abu Ayyub brought his servant, Layla, the young man, and he said, Ya Rasulullah, this is my servant. His name is Layla. So Prophet ﷺ was looking at him. You are Layla. So he said, yes, Ya Rasulullah, I am Layla. So Prophet ﷺ said, where is my letter? So he got surprised. And Abu Ayyub also got surprised. So Rasulullah ﷺ, Allahu Akbar Ameen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informed me about that letter. That for the last 400 years, a letter is coming as amana. So he brought the letter. So anyhow, Abu Ayyub Ansari, as Brother Ahmad said, that inshallah those who are going to Istanbul, so we will go and visit there Abu Ayyub al-Ansari, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He was the host of the Prophet. Two things are in Istanbul. These are very important. Number one, Abu Ayyub al-Ansari. And number two, no,
Sadam al-Fatih.
Rahimahullah. Because Sultan Muhammad al-Fatih at that time, Constantinople was the center of Christianity. And Christianity, that's okay. If there is a madhab or a deen or religion or whatever. But at that time, the Christians, they were giving a tough time to Muslims all over the world. That was known for cruelty. That center is the cruelty center. So Prophet said that whosoever will conquer Constantinople, he will be my wall-to-wall neighbor in Jannah. So from Sayyidina Muawiyah radiallahu ta'ala anhu up to Sultan Muhammad al-Fatih, every Khalifa almost he tried if he can conquer Constantinople. But that was such a difficult task that no one was able to conquer it. But Sultan Muhammad al-Fatih, he was a strategic man. The strategy, inshallah, he will tell us or anybody here in Istanbul that what strategy he made that he conquered Constantinople. So Sultan Muhammad al-Fatih, he is the neighbor of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inshallah, we will visit him as well. And I have already put up an application here. You know that? Yes, so last time, like Kubal, he wrote it, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So last time when I was there, so I was sitting to the grave of Sultan Muhammad al-Fatih. So I was reciting Quran. So somebody asked me that you took a lot of time here. So I said that our culture in Pakistan is, if somebody is too rich and having a big castle, so for his servants on the main entrance, he makes a makan or a place that's called servant quarter. In Annexi, that is for the servants. So I said that I was putting up an invitation to Sultan Muhammad al-Fatih that you will be having a castle. And that castle of you is wall to wall with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the servant quarter, if you can give it to me. So when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is going out and in, you will be able to see him.